Landforms and life. Ncert solutions. In what type of landform is your town or valley or city located? Which features mentioned in this chapter do you see around you? The answer depends on the specific location of your town, village, or city. Based on the chapter, you should identify whether your area is a mountain that is high with steep slopes, possibly snow capped, or with mountain forest, or a plateau that is flat topped with steep sides, possibly rocky with or with mineral deposits, or a plain that is flat or gently undulating, fertile for agriculture. For example, if you live in a flat fertile area with rivers, it's likely a plain like the Ganga plain with features like agriculture or river based activities. If in a hilly area with steep slopes, it's a mountain region with features like mountain forest or terrace farming. Check your surroundings for these characteristics. Number 2. Let us go back to our initial trip from Chota Nagpur to Prayagraj and Almora. Describe the three landforms you came across on the way. Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. This is a plateau, specifically the Chota Nagpur plateaus, characterized by a flat or gently undulating surface with rocky soil, rich in minerals like iron, coal, and manganese. It supports mining and has waterfalls like Hundru Falls. Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. This is located in the Ganga plain, a flat, fertile floodplain formed by river sediments. It supports extensive agriculture, for example, for rice, wheat, cotton, and has a cultural significance due to river confluences like Ganga and Yamuna. Almora, Uttarakhand. This is in a mountain region, part of Himalayas, with steep slopes, mountain forest like pines and deodars, and possibly snow at higher altitudes. It supports terrace farming and tourism. Number 3. List a few famous pilgrimage spots in India along with the landforms in which they are found. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, located in the Himalayan mountains, a sacred site for Hindus, surrounded by steep slopes and mountain forests. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, situated in the Ganga plain, known for its spiritual significance along the Ganga river. Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, found in the eastern Ghats, hills or mountains associated with the Tirumala hills. Amarnath in Jammu and Kashmir, located in the Himalayan mountains, a cave shrine in a rugged high altitude region. Mount Kailash in Tibet, revered in India, a mountain considered sacred in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Bon. Number 4. State whether true or false. The Himalayas are young mountains with rounded tops. This is false. The Himalayas are young mountains with tall, sharp peaks, not rounded tops, which are characteristic of older mountains like Aravalli's range. Plateaus usually rise sharply, at least on one side. This is true. Plateaus are described as rising sharply from the surrounding land with steep slopes on at least some sides. Mountains and hills belong to the same type of landform. True. Hills are lower highlands with less steep slopes and rounded tops, but they are part of the mountain landform category. Mountains, plateaus, and rivers in India have the same type of flora and fauna. False. Each landform has distinct flora and fauna. Mountains have mountain forest, conifers, and animals like snow leopards. Plateaus have rocky soil with less fertile vegetation. Plains have fertile soils supporting crops and diverse fauna. Ganga is a tributary to the Yamuna. This is false. The Yamuna is a tributary to the Ganga, which is the main river originating in the Himalayas. Deserts have unique flora and fauna. This is true. Deserts like the Thar Desert have unique flora and fauna adapted to arid conditions. Melting snow feeds river. This is true. Snow melting from Himalayas, especially at lower altitudes, feeds rivers. Sediments from rivers deposited in the plains makes the land fertile. This is true. Floodplains are formed by river sediments making the soil fertile for agriculture. All deserts are hot. False. Not all deserts are hot. Some like the Gobi desert are cold while others like the Thar desert are hot. Number 5. Match words in pairs. Mount Everest, roof of the world. Rafting, river. Camels, desert. Plateau, Ganga. Gangetic plains, rice fields. Waterway, climbing. Not directly paired in the text, but waterways like the Ganga river system, transport and climbing is associated with mountains like Everest. Then weak or contextual match. Then Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa. Yamuna is a tributary.